Local news for Wednesday, the 3rd of June. COVID-19 does not appear to have dampened the average asking price in real estate in Wairarapa. The average asking price now up to $549,131, up 16% on May. Spokesperson Vanessa Taylor says there have been no backward steps in demand either. Traffic to realestate.co.nz last month was on par with February, a summer month when browsing is typically at its peak. Castle Point beachgoers will have fresh toilets next summer as part of a rebuild of the toilet block near the lagoon, which begins this week. The circa $300,000 project is currently being funded through tourism infrastructure funds and progressed in partnership with the Castle Point Ratepayers Association. Community Facilities and Activities Manager Andrea Jackson says the project is expected to take about 3 months, so the new toilet block will be ready for use next summer. And the Carrington Event Centre is able to open its doors and its booking calendar for private and public events. Sales and Marketing Coordinator Jenny Hall says the industry has taken a huge hit through the COVID shutdown. The first public event has been booked, bringing the Waratahs, supported by Ebony Lamb, on June 27th. And finally, senior hockey players are back in action this weekend. Primary hockey, unfortunately, cannot start under current Level 2 guidelines. But hockey in schools, however, will begin this week. Kia ora for local news and sport. I'm Brent Gare.